Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Aldo, and I want to show you something that was recently introduced. Actually, a good friend of mine, my old friend from elementary, showed me EXP assets, and I'm going to show you how we are maximizing our profits through EXP. Okay, this video just information as far as how you can maximize your profits with EXP assets. The minimum buy-in is for the package is $100, and you could buy up to 500, 1,000, 5,000. So for this simple example, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your gains through reinvesting your profits and compounding your income on a weekly basis. Okay, so like I said, you could invest $100 and all the way up to, man, $100,000. So that's big money, and this is a binary. This EXP asset teaches you how to invest through cryptocurrency. So, but that's a different video. I put that together. But right now, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your gains on a weekly basis. Now, I'm going to use an example for right now. Let me see. Example, I'm going to put a 100. Okay. Now, with 100, the packages you buy, they're good for 120 business days, which is weekdays, Monday through Friday, and you don't make the weekends don't count. So if you're making 1% daily gains, the 1% daily gains are from Monday all the way through Friday, and they last for 120 days, which is around 24 weeks. Okay, now if you just buy, for example, $100, you let it ride, you make 1% on a daily basis for 120 days, weekdays, you're gonna make $120. That's 120% in return. Now I'm gonna give you another example. Okay, $500. Once the cycle ends, if you purchase a package of $500, once that cycle ends, for 120 weekly, 120 days, weekdays, you're gonna make $600. Now, since you're making 1% daily gains, which is for $500, $5 in a week, you're making $25. Now, I'm gonna use an example of $2,000. Okay, let me tell you why. Cause with $2,000, your 1% of $2,000 is $20. 1% of 2,000 is $20. Now, on a week, that adds up to $100. Now, this is real key right here because you're able to reinvest on a weekly basis those $100 because in EXP assets, the minimum amount you can invest is $100. Now, this is when it starts compounding. So right here, if you just put $2,000, let it ride, you don't reinvest your $100 weekly gains. By the end of this 120-day cycle, you're gonna make $2,400, which is awesome. You made $400 on that $2,000 investment. You can't lose right there, right? Now check this out. Say you invest $2,000 on a weekly basis, you're making $100, right? So the 1% daily gains times 5 equals 100 weekly. The key here is on by week 1, you buy a new $100 package. What that's going to do, this $100 package is going to be added on top of your $2,000. Now you're investing $2,100 on a daily basis. So now you're making $21 a day. 21 times 5 equals 105. What do you do on the second week? You reinvest as 105 and you add it on top of the 2100 to give you 2,205, and so on and so on. As you can see, on a weekly basis, your daily gains are growing, they're compounding weekly. So every week you're making 5% on the new amount you're reinvesting. And over time, this adds up real quick. And this is just if you're just reinvesting your profits on a weekly basis. And that doesn't include the other type of income you could get through EXP assets, which involves selling the products and recruiting, which I'm not going to get into that because people are loving it just to make the 1% gains. But anyways, by the end of the 120 days, you'll be up to 6,140 around there, and you'll be making $300 a week. Now, I highly recommend that you keep on reinvesting and you keep on building it and building as fast as possible. Right here, you have the option of maybe taking out half of it, cashing out half of it monthly and reinvesting the other half and growing that way. But personally speaking, I want to grow it as fast as possible. I want to get it to at least $20,000 before I start cashing out. But let's see. This is the cycle that pretty much lasts 24 weeks, and I'm using June 3rd as a start date. And by November, mid-November, you'll have 6,100. Now, it doesn't stop there. You could keep on reinvesting and buying new packages on a weekly basis. Let's give an example of, let's say, $10,000. At $10,000, you're making $100 a day, $500 a week, and if within 24 weeks, you'll be growing that investment to $30,000. Now, once you get to the $20,000 range, $30,000 range, it grows super fast. So I just wanted to make this little video to give you an example, and just to see how fast it goes for $30,000. Let's see how much you grow if you invest $30,000. You're making $300 a day, and then you'll be close to 100 grand. And right here, pretty much once you get to 20 grand or 30 grand, and that you're investing 30 grand, I recommend that you start putting money out and start living up the profits and reinvesting half of it, or reinvesting 60%, keeping 40%. It's all up to you. But I just want to show you this quick little video as far as how you can maximize your income and start compounding your investment on a weekly basis. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a call or send me a message. My name is Aldo. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you online, guys.